Hi everyone and welcome back. So I've already cast on. I have a formation of 3 with 2 out of action, 1, 2 out of action and then 3 and then repeat. So 2 out of action, 1, 2 out of action, 3 and that's 11 needles altogether. We are going to knit 22 rows. And once you are able to attach weights. So I've already completed the first one, just so you know what it looks like. After washing, this will all shrink in and begin to look nice. So now we're going to do the opposite side together. You need to drop this stitch that we've knitted, the single needle. This was just to create slack. So now we have like an extra bit of yarn just so we can make our chunky braid. So we're going to go down to the very last loop and then start to relatch these strands. So we are latching 3 strands at a time and we're using the latch tool to knit them manually. So you hook 3 strands into your latch tool and then you pull them through the loop and then you redo this until you get to the top. So all we're doing is hooking 3 strands into the latch tool and then pulling them through and knitting them. So it's quite basic really, and it creates a really interesting 3D effect to your knitting. Thank you for watching again everybody, and please remember to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy watching more of my videos.